Orukurebuza abajukira wa President omwihanga lyona Sister Mary Grace Ochilor naterera abazaire abashaho hamwe n'abantu bona okwimukiramu buri omu akakora omurimo gwe omuhururu y'okurwanisa okujanjara kw'akakooko ka Sirimu. Ogwaabo yari ahirwa ry'itojo omuri ntungamo izooba eryanyuma abazyo Sister Mary Grace Ochilor agizire ngu abazaire bingi obwahati banagireho obujunaanizibwa bwabo ekintu ekyongiire okujanjara kw'akakooko ka Sirimu kwayeyongyera omu minyeeto.
But the district and government of Uganda has been working very hard and will continue to work to ensure that this problem is stemmed. And the reason why you see mother-child transmission is being handled.
Nayongera ashobora gavumenti egezeho gukora ekirikubaasika konka abazaire nibashanka baremerwa Ogwaabo.
Referring to the families all the time. What do they do? What is their take on their children? We do our best as government. Those who are in the hospitals here, this is government.
Tuwisha bakuchera washanga mombasi tugugo at least kulenda kamselsa numbanchakare umbasi mukuru kandi kintu eki kumbe ni ndambare cy'impereze kureba ndebire iti abantu bakuchera Sirimu oriyo yanga kurya umbasi namwe totaha nyobona nyakabagisiye kandi kutsigorisha
nukwe kuterera abacurukwataho bona okwimukiramu omukushomesa abantu okukira munonga emyeto ahakwerinda okukwatwa akakooko ka Sirimu.
That let us not tire. Let us not get tired on this. The country is ours. The children are ours. Where will you get the superintendent of tomorrow? It's not from the youth. Where will you get Sister Grace tomorrow if it's not from the youth? So let us work as a team. Combined effort, we can arrest this problem.
Orukwebembera irwaro ry'itojo Dr. Innocent Twesime nagira ngu enjeri y'akakooko ka Sirimu karikujanjara omu minyeeto ebireebi neerarikiriza.
In our HIV clinic we have 2,450 cases and majorly it is now the prevalence is high among the youth, ranging from 19 up to 30, 35 years. But we have a strong team of VHTs, we have peer educators.
Yashaba gavumenti okwongera abashaho abakugu ahirwaro eri okugira ngu obuheereza bwanguhe omuri ntungamo.
Average tuzasaba akazi ranging 220 bibiri kabiri kinani. Bakano kuzara konka kushemeza tubatuge muri igana abiri. So abarwiye bona bakorwa umusoro wa centers abakurikaringa aho bakorwa hoje kandi babona obuhereza. Twenda kweyongera abashaho abakugu. Naho abazarsa gynecologist konkashi bikwa supported n'abandi abashaho ba surgeons.
Irwaro ry'itojo bwahati ni irwaro rukuru muri ntungamo ahiru kwakira abakyara benda barikurenga 3 buri kwezi okurugira kucondoza ko mwaka oguhwire abantu barikurenga 2,000 nibatura n'akakooko ka Sirimu omuri ntungamo kandi obwahati omubaro gw'eminyeeto abarikutunga busi akakooko ka Sirimu nigweyongyera ekintu ekirikwerarikiriza abebyamagara. Amakuru agagasha kwa Samuel Ahumuza aho atari West omuri ntungamo.